everybody. So for some reason I am on private settings. Don't know why. Quiet! Don't know why I'm on private settings, but don't want to that. Okay, I'm going to be singing Katy Perry, Firework. Don't know. Okay, so the normal things I always say, no bad comments, or you get blocked automatically. Okay, so here we go. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one boat caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams, no one seems to hear a thing? There's still a chance for you, 'cause it's fucking you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show them what you worth. Make them go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go wild. Gonna leave them going on. You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow. And there's a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will blow, and when it's time, you know you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show them what you want. Make them go as you shoot across the sky. You're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go You're gonna leave them going Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you. Time to let it through. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show them what you worth. Make them go as you shoot across the sky. You're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go You're gonna leave them going boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Stop it. Oh. Not to start that song. Okay, people, gonna end like I should usually end that. Okay, calm and carry on. That's how I should end. Just like, okay, like, comment, anything, share. Peace out.